Hello viewers, in this video we will see working of for loop. So in for loop, the first method which is used, that is called range. And syntax of range is actually having three parameters. The first parameter is beginning, then second is ending, and then third is step. So let's see what are they. Suppose we want to print number from 1 to 5. So we will write for I in range 1 will be starting, and we have to count, and suppose we are writing 5. So it will move till 5, but it will not include 5. Okay. Print I. See. One, two, three, four. Okay. It is moving till 5, but it is not including 5. Suppose we want the output should be in a straight line, so we will use the separator, which is end is equal to. Now whatever thing we will write in between quotes, suppose space is there, so also output will be given as 1 space 2 space 3 space 4. 1 2 3 4. See, output is separated by space. And now suppose we put here dollar sign, then dollar sign will also come in the output. See, $1, $2, $3, $4. So it is called separators. Okay. Now suppose we want to include 5 also, then we have to use here 6. It means it will end till 6, but it will not include 6. It means till 6 but not include 6. Okay. So run module. See. Let's make it this. 1 2 3 4 5. Number from 1 to 5 is printed. So this is the first way. In this, step is not defined, so it will simply print. Now suppose in second case, let's make it comment. For I in range. This is the second way. We can directly write here 6. Suppose we write here 6. So this also means it will move towards 6, but it will not include 6. Now in this case, the beginning is not defined, so it will begin from 0. We are not printing anything. Let's do a print. Print I okay. See, it is printing from 0 and it will not include 6. It will move till 6 but not include 6. So this is the second way. Now see third way. In third way, we will define all the three parameters. For I in range, we will put 1, 10 and difference will be, step will be 2. See, now meaning of step, see, now meaning of step, step meaning is always all the same like meaning of this. So till 2 but not include 2. So it will print in difference of 1. Okay, this 2 is also not in a regular manner. It will print a difference of 1 and 1. Okay, so in the case of 2, till 2 but not include 2. Okay, see, now our number is 1 3 5 7 9. Difference is of 1 because here we have given 2, and range is till 10. Till 10 it will not include 10, so 10 is not included.